guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about a nice bold lip and what you can pair with your eyes. So if you guys are interested in learning how to, rock a bold lip, continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that I'm gonna do is prime my eyes, and the primer that I'm using is a Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. And the shade is called Laying Low. Now, the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Mario KKW eyeshadow palette, and it's called the Artist in Muse palette. So the first shade that I'm going to start off with is going to be Glam King. And I'm just going to start applying this on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just creating a really nice big V shape. So if you want to locate your crease, you can always open your eyes and find your crease. And the brush that I'm using is a 217S MAC brush. Okay, so now that I have Glam King on, the next shade I'm going to use is I'm Inspired. And it's a really nice dark brown shade, and I'm just going to apply this right on top of Glam King. And again, I'm using the same 217 brush, and I'm placing it directly on the outer part of my eyelid and creating a really nice V shape. And this time I'm not going to drag it up too high. We do have Glam King on, so that's acting as a transition color. And we're just going to keep this slightly right below our crease, just like that. So I think I do want to add a little bit of Glam King and I'm Inspired mix, and I'm going to take it right on my lower lash line, and I'm going to make sure that I'm staying right on the outer part of the eye. So I'm not taking it too in, and I'm just going to add it there. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of New York City to LA. It's a beautiful neutral with a hint of pink hue color that's going to be perfect for this look. The next shade that I'm going to do is a Beauty Campaign, and this has a little bit more frosty look to it. So I'm just going to apply this right near my tear duct just to brighten up the tear duct area, and this will also open up my eyes. And I'm also connecting it to the inner part of my eyelid. And I'm using the same concealer brush, and this is a Mario concealer brush, the makeup collection, the brush collection that Mario did with Sephora. So now I'm going to grab a Morphe brush, and it's just a nice fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab a little bit of Glam King and put it on the palm of my hand just to blend it out. So there's not a lot of product, and now I'm just going to go into my crease and just blend it a little bit more and just really soften everything out. Just like that. I think I'm going to intensify the outer part just a tiny bit more, and now I'm just going to use a pencil to do that, and the pencil is Costa Riche. You guys know I love this pencil, and this is an Eye Kohl by MAC, and I'm just going to apply this right on the outer part just to intensify and fill in any gaps that are near my lash line, so it just looks really nice and full. You can go back to the same blending brush and just blend it really lightly. It's such a creamy pencil. This is why I work with it a lot, because it just allows me to create that really nice soft smoky look, just like that. And I'm just gonna bring that on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so I quickly popped on my lashes, and the lashes that I'm using is Tati Lashes and TL9. And I don't know what she did with these lashes, but girl, I love these lashes. I've been using it on my brides. I've been using it on myself, and I feel like on every eye shape, this just like literally complements it. So if you have not tried it, you should definitely give it a go. The lip color that I'm wearing is called Devoted to Chili. It's a powder kiss lipstick by MAC. I'll just put it on just so you guys can see it. It is such a beautiful orangey, deep brown, orange color. Like, I love. Alright guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to wear a nice bold lip and also pair with some really nice, beautiful eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.